It's the fucking future, bitches! So, none of you saw Demolition Man last night.
What the hell are you talking about?
Alright, so, in the movie Demolition Man, the last murder up until the year 2032 happened on September 25th, 2010. Which means, we're in the fucking future. And his name is Sylvester Stallone. Exactly! Which means, we gotta prepare.
Rocky would never lie to me! What do I gotta do?
Alright, for starters, toilet paper. Fuck that! We got these 3 shells, bitches!
As an advocate of Tango and Cash, may I be the first to try out the seashells?
You may proceed.
Take them.
I mean, there's a better chance that way. But.
Oh my god! Oh! No! Maybe if I don't. Oh!
Sounds like he doesn't know how to use the seashells.
What the fuck?
Oh, that's another thing. In the future, cussing's been outlawed.
What the fuck?
God damn. Beep!
Fuck.
Beep!
Shit.
Beep!
What the
Beep!
Tell me
Beep!
what
Beep!
I'm gonna
Beep! Beep!
Damn
Beep!
it!
Beep!
Fuck.
Beep!
You fucking
Beep, 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 beep,
Jesus fucking
beep, beep,
cock
beep,
sucking.
beep, 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 beep,
Stop.
beep, beep.
Oh god, I hate you.
And yet, I'm nice enough of a person to give you a ticket. Now, make you a better person. Now, we haven't officially created robots yet, so it's solely based on the, honor system. But here you go.
Fuck this shit. What about the virtual reality sex?
Well, we haven't actually perfected that technology either, but you got this, this, and this.
Ew, gross. What the fuck is it?
Yeah, bitches.
I'm out. I'm out.
What? Come on!
Now, you remember your line? What? You remember your line?
Maybe?
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
I don't remember my line. Hold on.
Well, he's Roger.
That just makes him a bitch.